Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Monday. Yes, I'm doing a Monday. The last time I did a Monday was absolutely horrendous. I didn't even want to do another Monday, but here I am, back again doing it, and starting off with a good one. $12.06, 29 minutes. Yes, give me $12 to start. Double digits, here we come.
As long as you're a good person, I don't care where you're working.
I don't feel it. I never feel it.
Is that for Tristan? Perfect, thank you. Appreciate it.
I haven't been a poop for 46 weeks.
I honestly don't know what's going on tonight. It's been about 30 minutes since the last drop off and the orders have been so bad. Look at this one, $4.03 for 29 minutes, 16 kilometers. No, thank you. That might have been the best offer that they showed me. It was just bad, or I got nothing at all. I went from different hotspots. I drove around. I was getting nothing. I am taking this one though, $9.69 for 21 minutes. It's an offer I like, but I don't know what I'm going to get after this. Who knows? Wish me luck. Let's go grab it. Hi, good. Uber Eats for Sherry Lynn. Sherilyn?
Let me go get that for you.
Thank you.
All right, so this
Perfect.
is our allergy hot bag.
Okay.
This is our allergy cold bag, and then this is just the hot bag normal.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. After that last drop-off, I was afraid I was going to go 30 more minutes without anything. This one came in, $5.13 minutes. It's a restaurant that's usually quick. If it's ready, it's under 10. I'm taking it just to keep the night going. Hopefully it can turn around. Hi, I'm picking up for Uber Eats CFF2A for Courtney. Thank you. Ah, perfect. Wonderful. You got it. Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. Hi there. How you doing tonight? Good, doing well, thank you. There's your dinner. Have a wonderful, you got it?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. After I did that last drop off, this one came in. $18.09 for 43 minutes. It's a long one. It's slightly out of my zone, but I had to take it. I don't know what this night's gonna bring, but $18 in my pocket? Yes, sign me up. Hi there, Uber Eats for Jessica and Sarah. Jessica, Sarah?
Sarah, Jessica.
Oh, it's the other way around. I guessed wrong. Thank you. Hi, Uber Eats delivery for Sarah?
Yeah. Is it already paid?
Yeah, it's already paid. Thank you. Hi there. How you doing tonight? Doing well, thank you. I'm assuming this is for you. Awesome. There you go. You got it? Perfect. Enjoy. So I think Uber's starting to crack down on those people who are getting their accounts and then sharing their accounts. Because as soon as I dropped that last order off, I got a message that said, take a picture, verify your account. This is a random check to make sure that you are the account holder. Something to that effect. It really threw me off. I took my picture and moved on. I should have grabbed the screenshot. I didn't, but they wanted me to verify my ID literally as soon as I handed that customer the order and ended the delivery. It threw me off. I've never seen that in 5 years. I've never seen it. But you know what? That's great. I'm really happy that they're doing that. People shouldn't be using other people's accounts because they couldn't get their own account or for whatever reason. I've had people deliver to me and it wasn't the person who it was. I always think it's sketchy and very, very suspect. You never know why they're doing that, and you need to know the driver that's delivering your order is that driver. Comment down below. Let me know. Have you had this? Is this something that's just happening now? Has it happened for a while and just never happened to me? I'd love to know your thoughts. But I got this one, $5.09, 13 minutes. It's ice cream, so it should be ready. I can get this done in under 10. Let's go grab it. And also, while I'm grabbing that, please like and subscribe to the channel. That would be amazing. Hi, Uber Eats for Charlotte. Oh, awesome. Thank you. your ice cream. Thank you. Yeah, for Brianna. Uber Eats.
So it's not quite ready yet, but it shouldn't be too much longer. I just have to cut it.
Okay, thank you. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. You gotta love when you end the night on two really quick ones. They weren't the highest paying orders. Both orders took under 10 minutes each. Both orders over $5. I'll take it, especially when the night wasn't going well. So I'm gonna end the night here. My grand total for this Monday night is $55.61. Around 3 hours of work. I'm not really happy with it, but it doesn't seem like Mondays are that hot night it used to be. In the summer, it was all about making money on a Monday. It seems like that's changed. I might have to write Mondays off for a little while. Just stick with the weekends. That's when I'm making my money. Making money and making more money, that's what it's all about. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.